Are you gonna help Tita? Say hi everyone! It's our first Ilocano WOTD video for the month of April. Come on! Hey! First Ilocano WOTD for the month of May. Advance. First Ilocano WOTD for the month of April. Our Ilocano word is... Hey, what's our Ilocano word, Hiro? Bao. 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 I've already posted this in our Facebook page. Bao. Bao. The other word is utut. Utut. Both means rat. Right, Mudra? Both means rat?
Yes.
There you go. Bao and utut. Utut, though, in Tagalog, could be mistaken for utut, which is U-T-O-T. U-T-O-T. Or fart. Oh my goodness, it's Lola. Ow, your big tail, your big tail. What about the big tail? Bless you, Mudra. Nakakita, akti. Bless you. Nagdigusak. Nagdigusak. Nakakita, akti, utot, idikalman. Nagdakkel. Dead ma, busy si Mudra.